You know, sometimes you're walking through the parking lot and you see an incredible car and you think, damn, we should set up the camera and film before they get back. So I'm gonna hurry. I'm Carr, it's Carr Parts. Everybody's starting to get it, right? In our last episode, we were with Kyle Kuhnhausen. And Kyle, thank you so much for all the tips and the tricks. Do you like cars? God, I hope so. It's good for business. But seriously, if you like cars, you have to join the SEMA Action Network. Visit SEMASAN.com. You'll get it. Now back to me. Really appreciate it. Can't wait to spend some more time with you. But today, it's rods and bearings. Ladies and gentlemen, Cole.
Hi everyone, I'm Cole Marten from Throttle Thrasher's Garage. Today's tech tip is about checking your main and rod bearing clearances using Plastigauge. Plastigauge is a good tool for when you do not have the proper measuring equipment and you would like to double check your machinist's work. For demonstration, today I'll be using my custom all-wheel drive 2JZ. Okay, so for this example, we'll be using a motor that has already been assembled and already ran. For you, it'll be different and it will be a motor that is freshly being put together. And what you'll want to do is you'll have your rods in place and you'll cut a little piece of this Plastigauge here and you'll lay it down on your rod journal or main journal if you want to check your mains as well. And you'll place your bearings in your rod caps, make sure they are dry, and then you'll want to reassemble and torque them in place to the factory specs. And once you have them torqued, do not spin over the motor because that can mess up your reading. And after you've torqued them, you'll pull your caps back off, you'll back them out, and there will be an imprint there that you'll use Plastigauge's measurement to check what your clearance is based on the space that it's squished, which can be checked in metric or standard. And that's one way to check your main and rod bearing clearances. Checking the clearance of your rod and main bearings is crucial to the reliability of your engine. If that is done incorrectly, your bearings will prematurely wear and can cause damage to many other internal parts, including the crankshaft and bearings themselves.
Cole, thank you so much. Really appreciate that. And now what about you? Is there a part you're using that you'd like to share, a tip or a trick? We would love that. Simply send a clip right here to this address. I think that's the owner, so I better go. I'm Carr, it's Carr Parts, you get it, right? No, wait, man. No, it's Carr Parts, it's not what you think. I'm Carr. No, it's Carr Parts. Wait,